Here we can see how the hibiscus can be used. That common hibiscus. That is our native variety. And so there's a quite a steep slope here. And then at the edge of the property, the water flows out of the farm. And then along that, this hibiscus, this particular farmer has planted. So in the borders, this is a great idea. So pretty it looks. Provides food for those hummingbirds and all, nectar drinkers. Very attractive also, all around the year flowers. And then cows also eat this hibiscus. In the summer they like. Some creative farmer has done this. He's used the idea nicely. He didn't put some invasive stupid thing. This is heartening sight.